How to delete orders from Amazon order history. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, let's find out if you can delete orders from order history of Amazon. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to amazon.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now from here, you want to click on the orders option. A list of all of your orders will be shown over here in the order history. Now, unfortunately, you are not able to delete the order history from here. However, you can hide your order history. So in order to hide it, what you want to do is click on the archive order option. Now on the pop-up box, it's going to ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and click on the archive order option. Once you click on this option, the order will be successfully hidden from this order history. Now, if you again want to access that, all you want to do is from this drop down menu, select the option of archived orders. Once you click on this, you're going to find all of your archived orders over here. So if you want to unarchive those orders, you can do that as well. In this way, you can hide your order history, but you are not able to delete the order history as of now. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.